Hi, my name is Jennifer Altamirano. I'm the Director of Rehab here at Surge. We're part of one of the 11 buildings in the Paragon family. And I'm here to show you a little bit today of some devices that you can use at home that are available to assist you in the kitchen, for example, is where we're going to start today. So this is one of those experiences where you may not know they're out there in the world, but this is part of our jobs here in the Occupational Therapy Department, is to train people and help them get back to living their lives as functionally and independently as possible. So we'll start over here. So this is a scoop dish, for example. Okay, so sometimes people, for example, if they have some tremors or they have some issues with their motor coordination, can have some difficulty getting food off the dish. So it has a high side on one side, so people use that to scoop against and lift. It decreases spillage. It improves people's independence. These are all available. It also has a non-skid surface. Everything here that I'm going to show you is available on Amazon, for example. Sometimes Walmart.com as well is a little bit more financially reasonable. This is called a high-sided dish. Very similar to the scoop dish. It provides a lip to help you get to the edge of the food and not have a lot of spillage, but also to help with motor coordination. People that have diagnoses such as Parkinson's, or maybe had a stroke, for example, or a TIA, for example, these would be things that would help that. Also with arthritis, people sometimes have trouble managing utensils, for example. So they have large handled utensils, which helps when people have issues with their joints. If they can't make a full fist and hold a small spoon, this would be an example of something that could help them. They also come in a weighted variety. So people that have Parkinson's or neurological disorders and have those tremors, they're weighted to help with the coordination and, again, with the independence and the functionality of eating as independently as possible. Some people, for example, can't even hold or make a fist or functionally hold any kind of grasp. So they have utensils that you can slide, okay? And you would do it in this manner. So as you can see, I don't have to make a fist. I don't have to grip anything. It slides onto my hand, and then I can feed myself as well. Sometimes people have issues using a knife. This is available also everywhere. It's called a rocker knife. So if you're unable to go this way and cut your food for yourself, it just rocks on the surface and cuts through perfectly. So we train people with that as well here, as all of our facilities do. When people have a soft diet consistency, for example, if they've had issues swallowing and they're on a modified diet, what I mean by that is the food is pureed or very soft. Very often people use a divided dish so that the meat would be in this part, the potatoes in this part, for example, or the pasta, and then the vegetables in this part. So it keeps things separately a little bit more palatable than everything all in one dish, and it helps people enjoy their food and have a better quality of life. In addition to that, some people have issues picking up a cup, for example, a standard cup, and they have two-handed sip cups. Also a spout available so that they don't spill their drink all over themselves, for example, if they're shaking. So this helps people stay clean and also drink themselves, and of course a better quality of life when you're able to do these accomplishments yourself. In addition to that, one of the simplest things in the world, elastic shoelaces. Okay, everybody loves Velcro sneakers, but if you have a lot of sneakers and they're expensive and you're not able to tie your shoes easily anymore, these elastic shoelaces are readily available. We train people, and once they are tied, they don't become untied. So they are knotted, and then they become a stretching in and out. So you could just slide your foot in and never have to worry about tying your shoelaces again. And again, you can see they're very, very stretchy. And then these are always, a lot of people have these anyway. They're test pounded for about 5 pounds, so you could pick up a soup can out of your cabinet. So if you're in a wheelchair and you can't reach items that are above your head, you could reach in, hold an item, and take it out and put it onto a work surface and easily be able to reach things for yourself without depending on other people. So as I said, these are just a few of the things that are available to help people get back to their, community lifestyle, to get back to their homes in the community. We love to use this kitchen to help people train. We have a lot of our devices are at, wheelchair level so that they can access. But of course, being able to stand here, work with a walker, get off the walker, go to a cane, all of these things help people to prepare for their discharge to the community. Because what we like here at Surge and in the Paragon family is successful discharges and getting back to your family and your friends and your life. And thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe on ParagonHealthNet.com for more tips in the future. Thank you. Have a great day.